music, and we had started doing live shows as a label. We'd go from city to city with XQ, Rockford, and I say Kala, sometimes Killer T, you know, the artists. Taurai Mandev is there, South Africa is there, signed Nutty O. So we were like a movement. We just go and sell out venues and start making money. We get money from the label would make money. I don't want to lie. I was like on my salary. That came sometimes.
So 2016, let's move to 2016.
Yeah.
What's happening in 2016?
2016, I'm starting to be more in the studio now because remember we made Kwanda Vakure with Nutty O. 2 weeks later, it's playing on BBC One Extra. You know, it's making waves. I'm getting phone calls. Oh, that's nice sound. You need to push it. I remember Edu calling me saying, Tamuka, this is the new sound of Southern Africa. You need to push it. Do you know how much inspiration that was?
Shout out to Edu for always pushing
DJ
Zimbabwe
Edu pushed
music
it,
and having a space for African artists who are not exactly the mainstream.
And he's not from Zim, bro.
He's not from Zim.
Pushing Zimbabwean music, that was really significant. That's when we started hearing Anasimba tags by BBC One, Tamuka, and it's just a handful of people, you know.
So 2016, what's happening with you 2016?
So 2016, I'm more in the studio because you have to gain people's trust. So when I joined Kenako 2015, I was hired as a producer / graphic designer. So I started doing everything, all those graphics, logos, everything. I was the one doing websites, and all that material. But there's stigma in the studio because Oskid is already there. He's making dope music. So I'm also trying to find my place. Ndugadzira music salad. Music salad is kunetsa kutengeseka. So the label is just holding on to me to say, okay, for later prospects, if we get Masalad, and Soul Africa, hip hop people, Tamuka is there. Calvin, rest in peace, Calvin. XQ also wants to experiment with urban music. It's rhythm dancehall. So let's keep Tamuka, but he needs to pull his weight. So / graphic designer. Right, so I'm graphic designing. Maneru ruenda ku studio after hours. I'm doing this. I was literally scrounging for studio time.
And the missus is still in
Gwe, but she's visiting now, back and forth, you know. And we are starting to communicate with our family, you know, reintroducing ourselves because I'm getting a bit of money. Kambijana, you know, kanokwana, ke salary, Kenako, chichichi. You know what I mean? So yeah, things are starting to stabilize. But I'm still feeling crap because, you know, like my family's in Guero, brother, pressure. I'll tell you when my missus moved to, I'll tell you, it's within the timeline. So I'm more in the studio 2016, right? People are starting to trust me more because I've made this, I've helped out because we used to do collaborative productions with Oskid. People are starting to say, when I'm not there, it's like this, when I'm there, it's a bit better. So, okay, let's push. And